Dear all participants, welcome you all to 1 week faculty development program on R programming, organized by Institute of Computer Technology and Business Management, MM DU Mullana Ambala, in association with IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials. IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials during COVID-19 lockdown are offering our course material free so that we will be able to support educators and students during this global health emergency. In association with MMDU Mullana Ambala, we will be sharing resource material on R programming in the form of assignments, slides, code files, so that you will be available and you can also play, pause, rewind and forward the video lectures for the effective learning. Through this initiative, I really appreciate the efforts made by Prof Dr. Sumit Mittal to start remote learning program under remote faculty development program for the educators across the nation. The institution will be offering e-certificates to all who will be clearing the exam after getting 50% marks. Institute will be offering the support to conduct the faculty development program, and the efforts made by Miss Ayushi in clearing all the technical queries is really commendable. So I wish all the participants best of luck, happy learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.